Hi, thank you so much for taking the time to chat with me today. I'm really looking forward to learning more about how your company handles import and export. My name is NURUL NAJIHAH, student from University Malaysia Perlis, and can you introduce yourself a bit?
Okay, so hi Najihah, nice to meet you. Okay, my name is Afifah and I'm a worker here at Malayan Flour Mills and dinding poultry processing for around 1.5 years. Yeah.
So can I know what's the name of your company and when was it founded?
So basically, I'm working here in Malayan Flour Mills Berhad, and we have been around since 1961. So it's a quite long time.
Oh, where is the HQ and do you guys have other branches too?
Okay, so basically as I'm working at HQ, which is located at Menara City Bank, Jalan Ampang, nearby KLCC. And for our factory, we are located for flour. We are located at Perak at Lumut, and for poultry, we are located at Setiawan. Yes, and we also have other branches as well, which is we have at Pasir Gudang and Vietnam and Indonesia as well.
Oh, nice. What's the main thing your company does?
Okay, so basically we are mainly in a flour milling business, which is Malayan Flour Mills is a parent company, but on the side we have sub company. We also do poultry farming, processing and food production.
Oh, I see. How many people work there now?
As I know, there's around 2,000 to 3,000 employees, which is across all our location in Malaysia.
And how about you? What's your role and how long have you been with the company?
So basically, as I mentioned earlier, I'm in a trade marketing executive and I have been here around 1.5 years now.
Oh, is your company involved in any international trade?
Yes, of course. So basically, we are exporting the flour to places like Singapore, Vietnam and Indonesia. So at the moment, we are engaging with our neighbor company, which is Thailand.
Oh, can I know what kind of product that are involved in this trade?
So basically, you are import the wheat, corn and flour from Russia and UK. And we are export the flour, poultry product and some other food items too.
Can I know what made the company want to start importing or exporting the stuff?
So basically, our company is to expand our market and to reduce costs. Plus, there was a lot of demand from other countries as well, as you know.
Oh, can I know how do you guys figure out which countries to export to?
So basically, as my team, we do a lot of market research and attend trade expos and get feedback from customer and partners as well.
Can I know what things do you consider before choosing a country to trade with?
Basically, as we know, demand. If there is demand, so there is a hope to grow the business. So basically, the ease of doing business, cost and whether there are trade barriers or not.
Can I know, do government policies or incentive help at all?
Yes, for sure. They actually help a lot. For example, Matrix, give us support and sometimes they are grant or training as well.
I see. How important are trade agreement like AFTA to you?
It's a super important, which is they help to reduce the tariff and make it easier to export to Asian countries as well.
Do customer trend in other countries change the way you plan to export?
Definitely. Like in our Malaysia Muslim country, we make sure everything is in halal certificate and we also adjust the flavor and the packaging to fit the local taste.
About the export and import, what the tough part about handling it?
I would say the tough part is the custom and logistic, which is dealing with document, regulation, and sometimes delays can be stressful for us.
Is dealing with custom tricky?
For sure. Especially since each country want different spec or different paperwork, different type. So we have had shipment delay because of small error lah, as I mentioned.
How does exchange rate affect the business?
So basically, when the ringgits are dropped, our imports costs go up. So it is tough to manage the margin, as well.
Have you had an issue with the shipping?
Issue. Okay. So for sure lah, like delays container, port congestion, and even rising the freight costs. This is basically a typical issue for shipping.
What about getting paid, and is that a problem?
Sometimes I would say that because some buyer are late with payment, or we have to chase the after the invoices. So from here we are trying to avoid the risky client. How we do that? We are seeking for their CTOS actually.
How the competition out there in the international market?
It is fierce, which is we have to stay competitive with price, the quality, because there are plenty of suppliers out there.
So how do you guys ensure your product to meet the standard overseas?
We follow a strict QA processes and make sure we meet international certification like halal, HACCP and ISO as well.
Cik Afifah, can I know what do you do to make the custom paperwork easier?
So basically, as I know, we have a trained logistic team, and we also work with the freight forwarders who help us a lot to manage the process.
And how do you guys manage the currency rates?
So we use the hedging tools and ask for partial upfront payment when possible, to reduce the risk.
And how do you guys make sure things get delivered on time?
For sure, we use a reliable logistic partner with the trusted. Always plan ahead and keep some time buffer stock just in case.
Can I know how do you maintain relationship with international partner?
Even though we not frequent to see each other, through regular communication, through site visit, and sometimes they also helping with local marketing.
Can I know what do you do to keep your product quality high?
So basically, we run a regular checks, follow the strict SOP, and have a dedicated QA quality assurance team that ensures there are standards that we are met.
Can I know there is any system or any technology to manage everything?
Yes, in MFM we use the ERP system, which is the digital inventory tracking, and other tools as well to make things smoother and make manpower decrease.
Can I know, do you guys do training for the team?
Yes. We often send our staff for training session, workshops and capability building, especially for those handling export and compliance.
That was really informative. Thank you, Cik Afifah, for your time. This was super helpful for my assignment.
For sure, NURUL NAJIHAH, no problem. I'm happy to share about my company. Hopes it helps with your research. All the best.
Thank you.
you.
Bye-bye.